Alright, so the next dimension is going to be 1/350 from the end of this thread, and it's got a little bit of a chamfer on it to right into the corner here. So again, it's not real critical, but if you use a dial caliper, use the points, you can see it's 1/350, and it's got a little bit of a chamfer, and the chamfer is about the same as this, 30. So it will be a little bit different because I'm going to use the end of that. So how am I going to figure that? I take my digital calipers, 1" 350, flip it over. So the space between here to here is 1 350. Take my hermaphrodite calipers, stick it right up here in the corner, and just come up and push this till it touches. Boom, 1 350. And that's it. Set in. Doesn't feel bad. $64, $64. I'm 1,000th under. Okay, that's good. I can live with that. And it's got a pretty smooth finish. And like I said, that's just a relief cut. Alright, so now we got to set up to thread it. Then we'll cut it off. Well, actually, after I thread it, I'm probably going to come back in here and just kind of touch up that back end so there's no burr. Alright. Alright, I'll be back when I'm set up for threading. My Ace quarter 28 die is just, it's toast. I got to get a new one. A good USA made. I have this tap and die set. This is a snap-on. These are 12 points, and these are designed so that when you're working on a car, you can drop them in a 12-point socket, put an extension on it. You can reach far up in there if you had to fix exhaust manifold bolts or something like that. So they're not great. They're carbon steel dies. They're not awesome. They are not chasers. They do cut. I do have hex chasers, and what I did a long time ago is I made a tailstock die holder that is perfectly slides. These dies slide right in there with, within a couple of thousandths clearance, and then I just set a set screw down there with a point right into one of the notches, and it holds it there pretty good. I don't use them a lot on the lathe, but every now and then, like right now, I'm going to have to order a new die, but I want to get this done. So we're going to set this up, slide this in here. And this will only take a minute. I don't know if you guys caught this, but I did make one other stupid mistake. I didn't turn the maximum, or the OD of the tapered pot. We're going to touch off on that, and we're going to take about 55 thousandths off of it, and then we're going to face the end of it. Okay? Sucks because that means I left way too much here on the end to trim off. 44.5, half a thousandth under. Good. All right, take it out. We'll see you at the bench. All right, we're going to do a little heat treat. Like I said, this is water hardening. This is what they call W1. So I got a bucket of cold water here. I shouldn't say cold water, but room temperature water. It's on a piece of stainless steel wire, so it should not burn through that wire. We'll heat this up cherry red. dunk it. Then we'll clean it all up on a wire wheel, and then we'll bring it to like a blue and then dunk it again. See what happens. Hard to do with my left hand. Doesn't look too bad, and it is pretty hard. Alrighty. Let's turn it blue. I should have done this with the acetylene torch, but it'll work. Let me put my glasses on. See that blue coming in. One of my projects, hopefully to come, is a little heat treating oven. Yeah, it's not bad. All right, so came out pretty good. Should do the job. I could throw this one away. I got to do. I have to make one more. I have to make the bigger size also. This came out pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Got a whole bunch more stuff coming. Hey, subscribe. Please like. Helps get this video moved around YouTube. More people get to see it. And again, I thank you for watching.